What foods are high in protein? This is a common question on Google and YouTube. Protein is a fundamental macronutrient. It builds muscles, forms enzymes and hormones, and is essential for your health. Depending on your goals and activity level, you should consume between 1 and 2.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. In this video, I'll show you foods that are not only excellent sources of protein, but also have proven health benefits. While meat and fish are well-known sources, today we'll focus on other food groups. Protein values are based on official nutrition standards. Wheat germ is packed with nutrients. 27 grams of protein and 13 grams of fiber per 100 grams. B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's perfect for smoothies, salads, or yogurt. Just store it in a cool place. Quinoa is a pseudo-cereal that contains all essential amino acids, is gluten-free, low glycemic, rich in fiber and antioxidant flavonoids. A great option for vegans and people with celiac disease. Peas provide 24 grams of protein per 100 grams. Key amino acids, B vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Recommended for anemia and diabetes, peas also have anti-cancer properties. Soybeans are the richest plant protein source. 34 grams per 100 grams. They have all amino acids, healthy fats, B vitamins, iron, and antioxidant isoflavones that also support women's hormone balance. Sesame seeds are high in protein and calcium, 1,160 milligrams per 100 grams. Iron, zinc, copper, and phytosterols, which help lower LDL cholesterol. Great for bone and heart health. Pistachios have 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus vitamins E, C, B group, lutein, and minerals. They're anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, support heart health, and can help lower blood sugar. Parmesan is a cheese high in quality protein, 35 to 41 grams per 100 grams, and calcium, 1,250 milligrams per 100 grams. It also contains vitamin A, zinc, magnesium, and potassium. Watch out for the high sodium content. Skyr is a high-protein, low-calorie dairy product, 12 grams per 100 grams, rich in B vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and probiotics for gut health. To sum up, protein is essential for health, and you can find it not just in meat, but also in grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and dairy. These foods also offer vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Remember, variety is key to a healthy, balanced diet. Like, subscribe, and comment. Got an idea for a new video? Let me know below.